What's up, guys? It's Flash back with some more charts and another video. Today is Friday, May 31, 3:57 p.m. Eastern. And we got the monthly close for May. And now it's 3:58, so 2 minutes left until the close. Just kind of want to check out the monthly close, check out some ratios, where we're at, and really just, monthly close is important when we're looking at the monthly chart, right? And so right now, URA looks pretty nice in terms of a monthly candle. The highest monthly close it looks like since April 1st, or I guess May of 2014. That's incredible. Like, this is URA is going up and to the right. Like, it's as simple as possible. We can analyze any chart we want, the weekly or the daily. It's just up and to the right. So it's really cool. Just looking at the S&P 500, like if we drop into the 30-minute time frame, I mean, we've just been going down, and then the last 2 minutes of the month, or the last hour of the month, it's pumping, right? So that's, I don't know, it's interesting. It's just kind of interesting to see that behavior. It's the monthly close as well. So interesting, very interesting. But we go back to URA. We can look at URA versus SPX. Looks really good, steady as she goes. We want to be up and to the right here as well. There was a big outperformance back in February of the S&P, so we got to kind of recover that. But ultimately, it looks like we're in a broader consolidation. There might have been a little triangle right here where we broke out, retest, and now resumption upwards, it looks like. And then URA versus gold, similar story, right? Consolidation under resistance. Now we're consolidating again under resistance, and hopefully we're making a run to break out past 0.0155. I think that would be really good. Another ratio that I recently am kind of putting together, and this is I kind of got from Casper or Uselink on X, on Twitter. Really good follow if you want to follow some uranium and general market stuff as well. But here we have URA divided by U.UN, so it's kind of the physical uranium Sprott ETF. And so this is just so classic Wyckoff accumulation. Like, URA is bottoming, it looks like, against U.UN. And so this means that the equity miners are set to outperform the metal, which is also what you want to have happen in a large bull run. So this is just so classic. It looks so good. You have your spring and test right here. So I think that's what we're just completing. And man, what a time to be alive. Like, it's hard to kind of put into words what this chart means, especially when you look at U.UN, the Sprott Physical Uranium Trust. Like, this looks like a big cup and handle as well, what could be taking shape, right? So you can even look at this. We want to be outperforming gold here, which we are. We want to be outperforming the S&P, which, again, we're kind of just moving up and flagging out, moving up and flagging out, kind of another cup and handle formation. So if U.UN is doing this, man, and we look like this versus U.UN, I mean, and then on top of that, we are looking at stocks versus CCJ, which is the leader of the pack. And where I've identified Paladin, Bannerman, FSY, and a couple others here look really good too. And so now it's 4:01, the markets have closed, and it's a nice close on URA. I mean, up and to the right. Big picture time frame, guys. We're looking good. We're pre-weekend here. I think it's going to be a good summer, a good fall, a good winter as we follow up this arc. So stick with it. Stick with me. Drop me a like if you found this helpful. And I'll see you guys the next one. Have a good weekend.